Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to vectorize image in Photoshop. So here you can see I have this image right here, and in order to vectorize this image we need to hold Control from our keyboard and just click on the image. Now you can see they have created the selection around our image. Now it's time to click on this option. Make sure this is selected here, and once it is selected, hit right click, and here you will see the option make work path. So click here and just hit OK. Now they have created the path around the photo. It's time to click on this function. Now this is path selection tool, and once it is selected, click on your image, hit right click, and this time we need to click on create vector mask. So now here you can see they have created the vector. So now you can just click anywhere else and hit Ctrl+T. And now if I try to zoom this, you will see it is not pixelating. It means that it is converted into vector successfully. In case if you want to save this file, for that we need to go to file, click on save a copy. Then here you need to choose the folder where you want to save this. You can rename it as well. I'll just rename it vector. And also you need to change this save as type. So we need to change it to this one, EPS. So you can just choose one of this. And yeah, that's it. This is it for this video. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.